Okay, let us start the class now. Then what is the income tax? Okay, what exactly the, okay, in introduction, I explained you about the what exactly the income tax and such. Then what we are going to study in the BCom 5th semester and BCom 6th semester. This subject is going to be the part 1 now and part 2 in the 6th semester. Part 1 in 5th semester, part 2 in 6th semester. 6th semester we are going to part 2. The main objective of this subject is, what is the objective of the subject is what where we are going to reach now. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the only thing that is calculation of tax. The objective of the income tax is to calculate the tax of an assessee and assessee andreno who pays the tax, who pays the tax, and who is liable to pay the tax, who is liable to pay the tax and taxes. Okay, then who will be the assessee? Assessee may be the firm, assessee may be the individual, assessee may be the HUF, assessee may be the body of individuals, association of persons, sometimes some government bodies are also the are also called as a assessee. I think it's audible to all of you. Please raise your hand if it is audible. Okay. Then, what is this tax? Already we discussed that this is the fees. Okay, this is the fees we are giving to the nation to manage the things. Okay, tax we are the citizen of India. Just we are paying the tax, paying the fees to the nation or administrative department, that is the government of India, to maintain the all the facilities, to give the all the facilities, to control the all the facilities like the integrity of the nation, okay, external security, internal security, health, education, and the infrastructure, and the medical, and so many things. Okay, then ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, okay, what we are thinking now in the 5th semester BCom 6th, sorry, first one it will be BCom 5th, second chapter, second part will be the BCom 6th. Okay, if you want to learn the full thing about the income tax, you should learn the first chapter, first part, as well as the second part with the clear equation. Correct? What is the tax? Already we know that the tax is the fees which is given by the citizens, okay, which is given by the citizens to the nation. This is the very broadly sensible. Okay, when it comes to the tax, okay, tax will what is the objective of the income tax? The tax is, okay, tax will be levied on the who earns the income, okay, on the basis of his capacity, on capacity basis on earn what he is going to earn, that is the income. Okay, our income on the basis of the income they are going to levy the tax. The tax is not liable to pay for all the people. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ citizens ಅದರ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾರ, ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟು liable ಅಲ್ಲ. Only who is liable here? The person who is having the certain level of income. Certain level of income, then only he is going to pay the tax. Yaar pay ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, who is having a certain level of the income, then he is going to pay the tax. Then another what we learn, the tax should be calculated on income. Correct? What is the basic, fundamental, basic objective of the income tax department and sustains and income tax syllabus of income tax subject basic objective to calculate the tax of an assessor. Of mentioned, of course, ಯಾರು tax ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ liable ಅದಲ್ಲ, how the tax and calculate ಮಾಡೋದು, that is the calculation of tax. Then how we are going to calculate the tax? On the basis of the income. ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೆವಿ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Yes or no? To calculate the tax, we have to calculate the income. Okay, tax should be levied on the income. Tax should be collected on the basis of the income, on certain level of the income. Then which is very important here, calculation of the tax is very important. To calculate the tax, what will be the necessary for that? Tax and calculate ಮಾಡೋದು necessary ಏನಿದೆಯಾ? That is the income. Are you getting my point? Now, what we are going to do in the income tax subject is, we are going to calculate the income of a business. Now, we calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ ನಿಮಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, already I hope all of you understood this. Okay, very basic concept. We are going to calculate the tax on the income. To calculate the tax, we should have the income. Correct? But that income should be calculated as per Income Tax Act. Whatever you are having the income, that income should be calculated as per Income Tax Act. We are having one legislation, already you know that. To implement certain things, of course, first we should have the legislation. Legislation means, of course, we should have one act, the act. Then we should have the body to implement it. The legislation cannot itself implement the rules and regulations. One body should be there. There should be the human representative to implement the things. Okay, then who will be the human representative to implement the things? The Income Tax Department is the human representative to the Income Tax Act to implement the things. Then that is the executive body of the income tax. Okay, Income Tax Department or in Matra. Okay, one more body is there, CBDT. What is that CBDT? Central Board for Direct Tax. What is CBDT? Central Board for Direct Tax. And the Central Board for the Direct Tax and the Income Tax Department, they are going to execute these things of the legislation, that is Income Tax Act 1961. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, then table the income of one person. Assume that Ramesh is there. He is getting 50,000 rupees salary per month. Ramesh, a person who is an employee in a company, that he is going to earn the salary. 50,000 per month. Yes, to go how much? 50,000 per month. Then as per your logic, apply what will be the income of that person? A person's income is Ramesh income. Ramesh's income. Correct? Ramesh's income in monthly. Yes, that is 50,000. 1 version 12. That is 6 lakh. This will be the income. Correct? This is as per your logic. Whatever you have calculated the 6 lakh rupees, this is as per your logic. Nim logic this is the 6 lakh rupees you are having, that is the taxable income of the nim logic. Okay, but Income Tax Department, no, you cannot levy the tax on this 6 lakh rupees. Why? The certain amounts will be, it it's a gift like to the assessee. Okay, assessee individual gift ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ತಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We should have one, okay, one income as per the income tax. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, this is the income we should calculate taxable income. These are the some basic rules and regulations. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವು, these are some basic rules and regulations. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first basic logics, we can say that these are the basic logic. Income is different, taxable income is different. Are you getting my point? Income is different, taxable income is different. Income, as per your logic, your income will be the 6 lakh. But after applying the Income Tax Act, or rules, after applying the Income Tax Act and rules, you are going to get the taxable income. If you apply the rules and regulations of Income Tax Act, then only you are going to get the taxable income. That is the taxable income. On this taxable income, we are going to get the tax. Okay, on this taxable income, we are going to levy the tax. As per, again, it's as per Income Tax Act and the Implemented Finance Act. I hope all of you understood. Raise your hand if you have understood this. Okay, thank you. Ball simple logic na ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಏನು income tax should be on income should be taxable income should be as per the Income Tax Act rules and regulations. ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಏನು, the persons, the assessee will provide the income like this, information like this. Are you getting my point? Assessee ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, HUF ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, okay, and next BOI, body of individuals, and etc. These persons are going to give the information about the raw information relating to the his business, his employment, his capital gain, his transactions. ಅವನು ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, he is going to give the raw data to us. ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತವರು, raw data ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. What we have to do, and his data shows that, okay, the income, and he is also having the calculating capacity, then he is going to calculate the things, and his data shows that this type of income. But the income tax will not bill the income given by income statements given by the persons. Okay, income ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Income Tax Act. Then ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರ ಅವರು, no, we are going to make the rules and regulations. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, rules and regulations ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. As per our rules and regulations, you have to follow the rules and regulations, and you have to calculate what they have to calculate, taxable income as per the Income Tax Act and the rules and regulations by CBDT. CBDT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Central Board for Direct Taxation. Okay, then how we are going to calculate the taxable income? Taxable income ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, taxable income ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Already we know that we can have the income from various sources. ಬೇರೆ sources ದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು? We can have the income. First one, we can go to the company, we can go to the any institution, we can go to the sole proprietorship and anything. Then you will be employable there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿನಗೆ? That is income from in Bardadale, you are going to get that is income from salary. Okay, salary bandhane nastare, yes, how much we earn the salary. Correct that. Next, what we are going to do now? We are going to do that. Of course, we are going to get the rent from the house property. You want money ade, money nimade of sir. What you have done? Okay, you have given on the on rent. Obbrige madi renting kotti. Are you getting my point? Renting kot mali of course you have received income from house property. Correct? Income from ಏನಕ್ಕೆ house property na calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Next, you are having the business. You used to run the business. You are having the business and you used to run the business. Whatever you are having the sole proprietorship, company, whatever the business you are having, you are getting something profit from that. Then income from business. Income from business. And as well as we may have the professionals also. If I am a chartered accountant, if I am a doctor, if I am an advocate, if I am an actor, if I am a other professional, then we are going to earn, we are going to earn the income on the profession. Then that is the income from business and the profession. Correct? Okay, income button. Yes or no? Okay, first I was an employee in a company, then I was getting the salary, and I have a houses, and I am getting the rent from that house property, and I have a business as well as the profession. I am getting the amount from that business and profession. And one more thing, I have an asset, which is the capital asset. Now, when the assets okay, yes, when the assets okay, now in this year, I am selling that asset. That too on the profit. 1 lakh rupees ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ 1,20,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Then that 20,000 is the income, profit on sale of asset. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? What we are calling it profit on sale of asset. Then that is called as capital gain. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? What we are calling it capital gain. Correct? ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. Income from salary. ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We can be okay. Now ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Of course, we can be an employee. Then we can have the house property, and we can have the business, and we can have the profession. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ No, nothing we can do. Okay, but the capital gain, if you sell the capital assets, then we are going to get the capital gain. The next one is capital gain, and the next one is if you are investing in ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ investment ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, yes, definitely. Today I have a 2 lakh rupees. I am going to invest in a bank. I want to keep the 2 lakh rupees in the bank. Then bank is going to give the interest on that. Yes, 10% interest. 2 lakh in 10% interest, that is the 20,000. That is the income for us. Then income yes or no? Then that will come under the fifth act. That is income from other sources. Whatever you are getting the income from the other sources, you have invested, you have investment on others. If you have a shares, if you have a investment, and if you have a securities, if you have a bonds, if you have a deposits, it may be the savings deposit, it may be the fixed deposits, and so many things. Other manner, of course, if you are getting any income on that, then that will count under the income from other sources. Okay, and if you have any habits like the gambling, if you want to go for the race course, and if you want to go for the Goa, and if you want to involve in that casinos, okay, casinos do work. If you want to, okay, whatever, if you are a gambler, and if you want to play the cards, and if you are winning from that, and you have purchased the lottery. If you have purchased the lottery, then lottery ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಲಾಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ನ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ದ ಲಾಟರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಲಾಟರಿದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲಾಟರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹತ್ತು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು. that should be included in these type of the income should be included in which head, that is income from other source. Income from other source. Okay, you first to pushidike ante ನಾವು we are going to call this gross total income. Correct? Gross total income. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ, what we will have, it is the hesitation to the people to give the tax. ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾ ದುಡ್ದಿನ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ದಿನಿ. ದುಡಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೆವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯು. Definitely you have to pay the tax to the government, but government will give you some gifts. Government ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನೀನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಕಾಲಿಲ್ಲ. who is suffering from the so many diseases, and I am giving the donation. ನಾ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಮನೆ PM ಕೇರ್ಸ್ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, one deduction, one benefit ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Deduction under section 80C2 80U. Deduction andreno, this is the benefits given by the income tax department to the assessor. Income tax act ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಓಕೆ, if you are having a 1 lakh rupees into 10% tax, that will be the 10%. If your income goes to 2 lakh rupees, then 10%, that will be the 20,000. Then you know the logic now that if income increases, the automatically tax will increase. If the income increases, automatically the tax will increase. Definitely gottaಯ್ತು. Then tax increase ಮಾಡಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ. Okay, they are going to deduct some amount from the gross total income. Then they are going to have the taxable income. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ income. I hope all of you understood this. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು we are getting the income from various sources. The first one is the income from salary we got there, income from house property is there, income from business and profession is there, income from capital gain is there, and income from other sources also there. Okay, we combined it, we got the gross total income, and we have the government of India and the other bodies of the income tax has given us the some deductions. When these deductions ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, then ನಾವು less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, then only we are going to reach the taxable income. Are you getting my point? Okay, if we can call this as a taxable income. On this taxable income we are going to levy the tax. On this taxable income we are going to levy the tax. One thing you should keep in your hand, that whatever we have called it as a taxable income, after combining these things, one collectory, you must be taxable. Correct? Sir, easy idelle iಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5th semester and 6th semester ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. We are going to start from this and we have to reach to this level. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Then we are going to reach the taxable income of an assessor. Are you getting my point? Okay, then in this between, we are having the 5 types of income. Those are called as heads of income. These are called as heads of income. Heads of income. Then income from salary, it should not be as per the raw data. Again, it should be as per taxable salary. Our ಕೊಟ್ಟದ salary ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, raw data ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು taxable income calculate ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, the salary should be the taxable income as per the income tax. Again, income from salary, income from house property should be the taxable income from house property. That should be as per income tax. If you are calculating the income from business and profession, that is also taxable income from business and profession as per income tax. If you are calculating the capital gain, then that should be the taxable capital gain as per income tax. If you are calculating the income from other sources, that is also should be according to the Income Tax Act and rules and regulation. Then only you are going to get the taxable income. Are you getting my point? Okay. We are going to get the taxable income. All of you understood what is the taxable income? The income which is calculated as per by applying the rules and regulations of the Income Tax Act is called as taxable income. Any confusions? Raise your hand if you understood this. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Next, fifth semester sixth semester. This part, marrying part fifth semester. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business and very in the case of fifth semester.